Letter I.
Nagsad si B.
Ay yung simula talaga. I.
Ay.
I'll be there. Sabi na hinulari ano.
Mali, wala.
I'll be there. Ay, Jackson.
Hindi ko yan there.
B. Uy, pwede yung kay Jackson.
Ano yun?
There, sobra ba?
Sobra, apat lang yun.
Ay, sobra.
Lima yung there.
I'll be back.
I'll be back?
I'll be back? Sure. Grabe no, hindi na letters yung hinuhulaan. Yung mismo quote na.
Famous quotes kasi yan.
I'll be back.
I'll be here.
I'll be here.
I'll be here.
I'll be here. I'll be back. Tingnan natin kasi di ba back here. So,
Yes.
tingnan natin yung letter
Baka ano?
Letter H.
Ay,
wala.
Baka
I'll be here.
I'll B, C, D, E, F, G.
Letter
I'll B, C, D, E, F, G.
Letter.
check natin.
Oh.
I'll be
Oh.
back.
Yay! So,
Yan, yan sikat na sikat yung quotes na yan. Pag magbe-break kayo tapos sasabihin niya, I'll be
I'll be
back.
back.
Saan sikat tong quote na to?
Sa mga mag-shota.